Danish refrigeration industry giant Denfos Group on Wednesday announced that its global green refrigerants compressors laboratory has been put into operation in North China's Tianjin municipality. Covering an area of approximately 7,000 square meters, with a total investment of 140 million yuan, this is Denfos' largest capital increase in Tianjin since it settled in the city back in 1996. As the company's most advanced and largest scroll compressor research and development and testing center, the new laboratory is designed to focus on the research and testing of commercial compressors.
Denfos business have experienced rapid growth over the years in China. Like for Denfos, in 2015, our sales in China was around 4 billion renminbi, while in 22, the number has more than doubled to about 10 billion renminbi. As dual carbon goal strategies continue to roll out across China, the greater market potential will be really continuously unleashed for our energy efficient solutions. This makes us even more confident about the future we have together in China.
丹佛是在中国进入27年以来，我们已经从中国制造坚定地向中国创造在发展和进步。那么我们这一次研发中心的这个投入的话，是我们在天津第6次增资，也是最大的一次增资，说明我们企业对中国绿色发展的信心。